Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading What is St. Patrick's Day by Elaine Landau. What is St. Patrick's Day? What holiday is this? People wear green. They wear pins and silly sayings like, "Kiss me, I'm Irish." There are parades. It is St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's life. St. Patrick was born more than 1,600 years ago. When he was young, he was a slave in Ireland. Later, he told the Irish people about God. St. Patrick died when he was 75. He was named Ireland Sant. He watches over the people. Moving on. Over the years, many Irish people came to the United States. They still love St. Patrick. They honor his day here too. People who were not Irish enjoy the day with them. They still do. Parades and more. There are many parades on St. Patrick's Day. Bands play music. People wave Irish flags. Crowds watch and cheer. Sometimes the White House turns its fountain green. Good eating. People cook Irish food. They eat corn, beef, and cabbage. Many people like potatoes and soda bread too. Look for cakes and cookies with green icing. There are parties. People tell Irish stories. They play Irish music. People may play bagpipes. They make a great sound, dance, and Irish jig. Symbols of St. Patrick's Day. Jane stands for island field. Shamrock stands for good luck. Leprechauns are little men in Irish stories. They play tricks on people. These things make people think of Ireland. Celebrate every year. St. Patrick's Day is on March 17th. That is the day he died. You do not have to be Irish to love this day. On this day, everyone is Irish. And I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.